Open the lid and remove the bin. Place the robot vacuum upside down on a flat surface. Using a screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that secure the cleaning head module. Loosen the 4 screws that retain the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. Using 2 hands, remove the cleaning head module. Locate the latch on the inside of the bin well. Press the latch and pull up on the wheel module to remove it. Replace the new module and press down to secure it. Replace the cleaning head. Replace the bottom cover. Tighten the 4 screws that retain the bottom cover. Make sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Tighten the 4 screws that retain the cleaning head. Turn the robot right side up. Replace the bin and close the lid.